Guys, I am back with another video. I will be doing my eyebrows in this video. So if you want to know how to get your eyebrows like this at a cheap price, make sure you stay tuned for this video. You guys know I don't do makeup, I don't do all of that stuff. I wear my lip gloss, I might shave my eyebrows in, and that's about it. So you know this stuff had to be cheap because I am a cheap person. So the items that I'm using, the makeup and everything I'm using for this is very cheap, so y'all stay tuned for that. I think I did a pretty good job, especially with what I'm working with and the fact that I don't do makeup. But stay tuned, y'all. Okay, first of all, I will be telling you guys the items that I will be using in this video. First of all, it is a pencil liner. It's called a pencil liner, and it's by Ruby Kisses, and it has a pencil sharpener on the end, which is convenient. Then I have some kind of little brush with a little comb in it. You brush, your eyebrows, and you comb through your eyebrows with this. But I'm showing you that the end of it is broken, so I'll have an alternate for that. I'm just showing you can buy this. It's very cheap. I have everything listed below. And you have this little brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. Like I said, I don't do makeup. I just knew I needed it. And I'm showing you my nails. My nails look bad. Y'all excuse my nails. But anyway, then I got some kind of powder. It's by Kiss. It's mineral powder. I try to get something that's close to my skin tone. Not really, but it's close enough to it. And now I'm about to show you the alternate to the little brush with the comb on it, because that comb is broken on the end of that brush. So I will be ghetto with it, and I will be using an actual rat tail comb for my eyebrows. So I'll basically comb my eyebrows out with a comb. Yes, I'm using a comb. I can get real cheap and ghetto with it, but as long as it works. So I'm just showing you can use either or. You can use a little comb on the end of the brush, or you can use an actual comb. And I use an actual comb because my comb on the end of my brush is broken, but I'm just showing you what you would be doing with it. You'll comb it through and you'll brush it through. And then now I'm taking my pencil. You take the pencil and you outline the edges of your eyebrows, the inside portion of your eyebrows, then the outside portion of your eyebrows. So you have to line it all up to kind of get it how you want your eyebrows to actually be, because you see my eyebrows are sparse. They are, I guess, wide, you can call it, but like it's missing eyebrows. Like I have holes in my eyebrows. Some of the eyebrows are missing, so you kind of want to draw the line of how you want your eyebrows to look. So as you're drawing, you can kind of see how you want them, but you can kind of, wipe some of it off. If you did it wrong, you can redo it. It's not, that serious, because the way I do mine is simple. I don't go through all of that extra stuff that everybody's doing. Of course, they draw the lines around it. They color it in, but then they have to be extra and put all the extra makeup on the outside. I don't go through all of that. But anyway, I'm just still drawing my outside. See, I did a little bit too much on that side, so I'll wipe it off and keep it moving. See if they, are shaped how you want them to be. Sometimes when I do my eyebrows, I notice later on that one eyebrow may be bigger than the other. And sometimes I don't know it by looking in the mirror. I have to actually take a picture of my eyebrows to see that my eyebrows are not even. And sometimes I don't care. I think it looks a little bit more natural that they're not actually even. And I have never been the person to draw my eyebrows in like this. I always just like color them in at whatever shape they're in. But now I get to the point, I'm getting a little bit older, I want an actual shape to my eyebrows. So I take this little tool and I, cut the excess off. But right here, I'm like actually shading in my eyebrows. So I'm shading it in after I've drawn it to the shape that I want it to be. But I got this little tool that I shape my eyebrows up with, and every once in a while I'll go and I'll get my eyebrows threaded, but sometimes I keep going back getting it threaded. No need. I'll just kind of cut any eyebrows that I see, the little eyebrows. But anyway, I'm making sure that my eyebrows are exactly like I want them to be, shading them in, looking, trying to see if they're even, if I like them. You gotta excuse how I'm holding my mouth to y'all. I got them retainers and they're getting on my nerves. So now I take the little brush on the end with the little comb and brush thing, and I brush it to make the color even throughout my eyebrows. Because sometimes you color your eyebrows, one part might be darker than the other or whatever. You kind of shade it in and then take the brush and kind of brush it through. So apparently on one side is down longer than the other side, which in real life, one of my eyebrows is down longer than the other, but you know, you kind of shade it in. So now you take the powder, the mineral powder, that's what I'm using, whatever you decide to use. And I take it and I go around the edges of my eyebrows. It kind of highlights and kind of makes it look clean, which in a lot of cases, you'll see people when they do their eyebrows, they're taking the powder or the concealer. Most people use concealer. And they go around the edges of the eyebrows and they use a whole lot of it. But see, with them, it works for them because guess what? That same concealer or whatever they're going to use on the rest of their face. But I don't wear makeup, so I want mine to be either just a little bit lighter than my skin tone or right at my skin tone. So that way when I do it, I can kind of blend it in and it doesn't look bad. Because I always like how it looks like a person has highlights around their eyebrows. So that's the kind of look I'm going for. And then I'm cleaning it up at the same time because I'm taking this brush and I'm putting this powder on. It's actually highlighting my eyebrows at the same time. So I'm getting the look that I like. I go all the way around. You keep doing it until you actually get any excess eyebrow pencil off, along with you putting on the mineral powder. So I think this was fast and easy. Didn't take me long, what, 10, 15 minutes, if that. So now I'm taking a comb, being ghetto, combing out the front part of my eyebrows because I want it to kind of sit out a little bit. And kind of see what I'm doing. Pull out a little bit. And now I want to take my powder again and go around the edge where I push the hair up to make it look a little bit better. Yes, I'm doing this little voiceover, but hopefully you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Like I said, I don't do makeup. I don't wear makeup like that. I just wear my drawn in eyebrows and my lip gloss. That's all I do. As y'all know, I'm trying to keep my face clear because I go through so much with my face. I have so much acne that keeps popping on my face. If you guys see my face right here, my face is kind of clear. You guys leave a comment below if you want me to tell you about my regimen for my face. I've always had acne since I was little. Had acne since I've been grown, but the regimen I've been using, my acne has been, you know, kept under control. But yeah, I'm just cleaning it up, making it look like I got highlighter around my eyebrows just a little bit. But then I want to even it out, kind of brush it out a little bit. Brush it out a little bit to kind of blend in with my skin tone. But then at the same time, it still looks like I have a little bit of highlighter on it at the same time. So hopefully I'm showing y'all good. Because like I said, I don't do this kind of stuff. This is not what I do. I just do a little extra stuff just for me to make myself look cute for me. I know some people that do eyebrows or do makeup probably like, oh, she's not even doing that right. But it's like I like it. So that's all that matters. You do it to your liking and what you like and what you feel. That's all that matters. Now I'm just looking at it, trying to see, are my eyebrows even? Is the highlighter good on it? Is it like I want it to be? Here I think I'm just adding a little bit more because I like the highlighter look up under my eyebrows. So kind of blend it out and everything. I'm using a little bit more to blend it out. Now here, I decided to do this. I don't normally do this. I see people do this. Kind of make it look like I got a little highlighter in around my eyes. I always thought that was cute. Now I'm rubbing a little shine on my forehead and my nose. I think I did a pretty good job. What you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. I think I did okay for somebody that does not do makeup. But anyway, now I'm going to put on my little lip gloss. Now I think I'm cute. Now I can go get dressed because right before this, I did my little face wash routine that I normally do. Like I said, if you want to know my face wash routine, leave those comments below. And now I think I'm cute. And we are all done. Alright guys, leave comments below. Tell me what you think about this. I use cheap products, I'll try to make sure I leave either a link below or a description of everything that I use. Make sure you give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Make sure you go over and subscribe to my other channel, because if this channel go down for any reason, we'll have the other channel. You go straight over there. So make sure you subscribe to that one. Subscribe to this one, subscribe to the other one, give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure you check me out on social media, and make sure you check out my Amazon shop. I probably try to put all the information about these products in my Amazon shop as well, so that way you can see it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Be blessed.